Hey everyone, what's up guys? How are you guys doing? Alright guys, so you're welcome back to today's video. Okay guys, so I'm gonna show you how to look half your age. Okay, like you're gonna be looking really beautiful and really flawless. Okay, now do you have all of those problems on your skin, or do you have one just particular problem that is actually not making you glow, look beautiful? I'm gonna be giving you a solution that would actually help you to look half your age and make you look flawless. Okay, so this is an awesome ingredient and it works like magic. All right, so let me take you right into this video. Do not forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and let's go. Look half your age, like to look super duper young, you're gonna be needing this berry. Okay, so what we're going to do is that we're going to be plucking our berry. Okay, so we're gonna be needing this much. We're gonna be taking it into a blender, and then we are going to blend. So after blending this, then we're going to be sieving this out to get just the juice of this berry. So I'm going to be pressing it this way so that the juice could come out. So this is our berry juice. Gonna be keeping that aside, and then we're gonna be needing avocado. I have some of this avocado, so I'm actually gonna be seeing if I can still make use of them. Yeah, still very good. So I'm gonna be peeling this. I'm actually just going to be scooping it into the blender. So I'm going to be putting just a little bit of water so blending could be easy. Okay. So this is it, and this is my avocado juice. Really nice, green and yummy. I'm I'm equally gonna be keeping that aside. Okay, so we're gonna be needing some orange, okay, because we need some vitamin C to rejuvenate, glow, and make our skin look super young. So I'm gonna be cutting the orange. Okay, so I'm actually gonna be squeezing in the orange. And this is it. Probably going to be needing some cucumber, yeah? So we're going to be taking some cucumber into this juice, yeah? And I'm going to be telling you the reason why we need all of these fruits, okay? So I'm going to be taking enough of this cucumber. Okay, so now I would have to be creating the cucumber. Okay guys, so after creating the cucumber, now we would have to juice it out. So here we have the cucumber juice. Okay, so we're equally going to be keeping that aside. So the last ingredient we're going to be needing is apple. Yeah, so I'm actually going to be taking just a little of this apple. And then dice it up. Okay guys, so I would love to sieve it out also, so we have just juice. So here I have my apple juice, cucumber juice, berry, orange, and avocado. Okay, so these are the 5 great magical fruits that we're going to mix together to achieve one great anti-aging drink. Okay, I'm actually going to be turning this avocado into this, the orange, the cucumber, and the berry. So now I have just one great drink for an ageless skin. So what I'm doing now is that I'm mixing everything up, and it is still very watery and it's good to go. Now this is how it is. It is very well delicious. It's great, it's yummy, and it's going to take off half of your age off your age, meaning that you're gonna be looking super duper young, super glowing, super smooth, and you're gonna be having a baby face. Like, it is actually very better for you to glow from the inside out, okay, then when you apply other stuff from the outside, it's going to be responsive. Yeah, because I know there are a lot of people who contact me and say, oh, I've actually applied this, it doesn't work. Why not try this anti-aging, antioxidant, younger looking drink for an healthy body and healthy skin? Go try this out. It is so yummy. All of the ingredients are superb, natural. Well, you can as well just blend everything together. It's going to give you the same result anyways, but I love to just, sieve out, because when you blend the avocado plus other ones, you're not going to be able to sieve it out very well. That's why I had to blend it separately. So go try this. For just 2 weeks, give yourself like a training for 2 weeks of drinking this. You're going to see the result. The result is going to be beautiful. So that's it, guys. It is an anti-aging remedy that helps and works so much in firming up your skin, making you look half your age, and making you look really beautiful. So this is amazing. It is so beautiful and I am loving it. Okay, so that's it. If you did love the video, please don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, and share the video, and I'll see you again in my next video, guys. Love you and bye.